Hi there, in this video I will show you how to free up space on Samsung phone without deleting application and how to clear internal storage on Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out device care. Open it. Tap on storage. Tap on trash. Select gallery. Delete all the files from here. Tap on empty. Then tap delete. If there are any other unnecessary files or folder here on your phone, delete them as well. Move back. Tap on unused apps. You can delete the unnecessary application from here that you no longer use. However, there's no need to delete the essential ones. So select the unnecessary apps, then tap on uninstall. Select uninstall here. After that, move back. Tap on duplicate files. If you have any duplicate files here, delete one of the copies. In my case, there are no duplicate files here. Once it is completed, move back from here. Tap on large files. If there are any other unnecessary files here on your phone, delete them as well. Select the file, then tap on delete. Tap delete. Now move back to the settings page. Tap on apps or applications. Select unnecessary application on your phone. Tap on the application. Tap on force stop. Tap OK. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap on delete. In this way, clear the data and cache of your unnecessary applications from here. Once you have cleared the data and cache of your unnecessary applications, exit from here and go to your phone's home screen. Then restart your phone. After restarting, you will notice that your phone's storage has been freed up. That's it. Thanks for watching.